Do you want to learn how to remove background from your images in Canva? In this video, we're going to learn how to do that. First, head over to canva.com and create a new design. You'll be redirected over here. I've just added this one image that I found over on the internet. I upscaled it. Next, click on this edit image button. And then you will find under the Magic Studio, you're going to find PG Remover. If you click this, it's going to remove the background. Look how simple it was. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is that for this to work, you need to have a pro version of Canva. Don't worry about it. I have a free alternative which you can use. This is Clip Drop by Jasper. And I'm going to just insert the same image that I used on Canva over here. And our image is now inserted. Now I will click on remove background. It will ask for a sign in. I'm going to sign in with Google. Just click on downscale and continue. And there you go. You have successfully removed the background without using Canva Pro. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.